Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to create a simple C++ program to accept a radius of a circle and calculate for the area as well. And the formula for calculating for the area is 3.142 times radius. So with this question, first we have to write an algorithm. And an algorithm is a step-by-step procedure used to solve problems. And it's very important because it helps us to organize our thoughts and understand the logical step needed before writing the actual program. And for this question, the algorithm is we we input the radius of the circle, we calculate the area of the circle, we display the area, then we stop. So next is the pseudocode, and a pseudocode is a simple way of writing program instruction using plain English. And it is very important because it helps programmers plan their code without worrying about programming syntax. It also makes it easier to convert the solution into any programming language. And finally, we write our flowchart. So let's discuss about the flowchart. A flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm, and it uses symbols and arrows to show the sequence of operation. And it's also important because it makes the program easy to visualize and to understand. So for this question, the flowchart will follow this sequence. Start with an oval, and you input your radius value with a rectangle, you calculate for the area with a rectangle, you display your area with a rectangle, then you stop with an oval. So this is for the flowchart. So let's start by writing our C++ code and explain. First, on the first line, we type #include. We type this because it allows the program to display information on the screen and receive input from the user. And on the second line, we type using namespace std. This also allows us to use the cout and the cin without writing std before them. Line 6 is where the program starts running, and that's where we type in our int main. Next, we type float r and float a. The r stores the radius entered by the user, and the a stores the area of the circle. Next, we type the cout input radius. This displays a message asking the user to enter the radius, followed by the cinr. This also reads the radius entered by the user and it stores it in r. And next, we calculate for our area. It also stores and calculates the area of the circle using the formula. Our cout area displays the calculated area on the screen. And lastly, we type in return 0, which ends our program successfully. Then we select execute, we compile and we run. Then you type any number, the value we get is your area. Thank you for watching.